Welcome back. Tirnagaa is the pride of our nation and every Indian should respect it. But seems like elected representatives have missed this. A flag was unfurled upside down at Assolna Panchayat in Veli constituency. Ironically, even after bringing it to the notice of the Sarpanch, the flag remained in the same position for almost 5 hours. The Panchayat has been booked by police for dishonouring the national flag.
Have a look at this flag. It was hoisted by Sarpanch of the Panchayat, Joki Pereira. Besides him, only a peon was present for the ceremony. Some of the locals found that flag is hoisted upside down. Locals claim that even after informing the Sarpanch, the flag was lying in the same position for almost 5 hours. Ronnie Das, a local from Assolna village, complained to the Assolna police outpost, but police too failed to reach on the spot. It's only after some of the journalists contacted DGP and SP, police official reached at the site and filed a Panchanama.
Police request केला की तेमी अंडर फ्लॅग कोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीज आहा तेंका बुक करपाचे आनी स्टँडर्ड एक्शन घेवपाचे हें जें पड केलां तें आमचे देशाक सिटीजनाक आनी फ्रीडम फायटरांक एक व्हडलो इन्सल्ट जावन आसा.
Later, Sarpanch reached at the site. He claimed that when he had hoisted the flag, it was in correct position.
तो बांधलो जरी झाला इट वाज द युअर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज अ सरपंच.
Panch of Assolna Panchayat, Savio Ferreira, who was not present for the function, called it a shame for the Panchayat.
He is sending the peon for to reverse that thing, and he has actually been very careless. This has happened for the second time in the last 5 years, and this has been, being from Assolna, it has been a mockery for us. It's been a mockery for us because we come from the home of where the freedom struggle actually started. It's a mockery to us, and I am sad to say that I am a member of this village panchayat.
A reporter from Assolna, Samir Bhatt.
Educationists from Kankon have supported the proposed NIT at Lolier. They have a common view that people opposing NIT do not have a clear insight of the project. Educationists feel that maximum Goan students will be benefited if the project sees the light of day. They have demanded a master plan of the village considering requirements and priorities of the village.
After a chaotic Gram Sabha on NIT at Lolier and opposition by some individuals, educationists from Kankon have come out openly in support of the NIT. Madhukar Shenvi, headmaster of Shraddhanand School, has highlighted the need to understand the project by villagers.
NIT हाची आयडिया जी आमच्या लोकांक अजून पर्यंत कळना. जर हो प्रोजेक्ट जर सारकें तर तांकां एक्सप्लेन केलें जर जाय म्हाका कोणाचोच विरोध उरचो ना अशें दिसता. लोकां मदीं एक प्रकारची जागृती निर्माण करूंक जाय आनी हें काम जें आसा जे शिक्षीत लोक आसात तेच करूंक शकतले अशें म्हाका दिसता. आनी ताजे खातीर डॉक्टर विवेक कामत किंवा जे आसात तांणी एक बुद्धिवंत जे लोक आसात काणकोणां तांची एक मिटींग आपोवची आनी हो खरोच एज्युकेशनल असो प्रोजेक्ट आसा आनी ताका आमी ताका सदांच आमी ताका हेल्प करूंक जाय कित्याक आमचें काणकोणचें नांव जें आसा तें जगाच्या मॅपार वतलें.
Jairam Gaonkar, principal of SS Angle Higher Secondary School, has said that NIT at Lolier will help Goan students immensely.
आमचे भुरग्यांक जास्तीत गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक जास्तीत जास्त हाजो फायदो जावन येता. कांय ज्या भुरग्यांक एडमिशन मेळना आतांच खंय तरी सुरवात जाल्या की आमचे गोंयचे भुरगे IIT पर्यंत पावतात पूण तांची ही संख्या आसा ती खूब कमी आसता. सो हांगासर असो प्रोजेक्ट आयले उपरांत एक अवेरनेस एक म्हायती तरी जातली जागृताय जातली अशे तरेचे प्रोजेक्ट आसता आनी भुरग्यांनी श्रम घेवन जर आपली बुद्धिमत्ता वाडयत आनी तशी पर्संटेज पडत क्वॉलिफायींग एग्जाम्स आसा तशें 12वी नंतर मागीर एंट्रन्स टेस्टाक बी जाल्यार आमचे चड भुरगे तातूंत पावूंक शकतात.
Shambhu Prabhudesai, headmaster of Damodar High School, has said that a master plan of Lolier village is required.
कमनदारीचे वांगडी जावं पंचायतीचे पंच गांवची सुशिक्षीत मनशां आनी सगळ्यांनी बरोबर बसून गांवच्या विकासाचो एक मास्टर प्लॅन एक नीट आराखडो तयार करचो. काही लोकांचो असो सूर दिसलो की ज्या मनशांच्या मार्फत हो प्रोजेक्ट फुडें येता अशें गांवच्या लोकांक दिसता त्या मनशांच्या विश्वसनीयते बद्दल काही जाणांनी शंका उलोवन दाखयली.
A reporter from Kankon, Babesh Borkar.
Member of State Level Committee on Regional Plan Charles Correa has revealed that Builders Lobby has started advertising mega projects on Alto Beti Hill following rumours of regional plan getting scrapped. He said that the ads have started appearing in newspapers in Mumbai. He was interviewed by Editor-in-Chief of Prudent, Sandesh Prabhudesai.
Day before yesterday, that's why we got really depressed. The papers in Bombay, a friend phoned us and said they were full-page ads, four full-page ads announcing sale of homes on Alto Beti Hill. Oh, can you imagine? Absolutely, saying these are this and its name Piramal, some names of the firms. I'll send them to you. So can you imagine what's going on in their heads? They think, well, this plan is going to be thrown out and we'll come back with a raw. And
it has already started.
They started advertising full page, and I think there's a lot of I'm sure there were things which have to be corrected, without any doubt. And they should be corrected quietly, without, we should and we will have this structure where people will come with their objections and they'll be listened to and through some sort of forum. But a lot of misinformation is also being lavished around. Incredible things are being said that new roads have been built which have been designated which will go right through your house and through this and that. Bangladesh or in Dhaka or Corbusier in Chandigarh and in Ahmedabad. So the thing is, if the client believes that architecture can change your life, then the architect rises to the occasion. The Arabs, I'm sorry not to judge, don't sound racist. Let's say the emirs don't seem to believe that. They think they commission a building and some underling will look after it. That's what happens. The Sarabais would be concerned about what you were doing. They were maybe tough about money and about getting whatever, but they were concerned about quality. Goa has to produce that kind of client. And this would be a paradise. You'll get wonderful architecture built here. So you must.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Let's take another short break. Stay tuned.